Good morning, students. Class 8, Chapter 5th, Data Handling, Exercise 5.1. In this chapter, we have already complete question number 1 and basic of this chapter, in which we study what is the data handling. Data handling is the process of gathering, recording and presenting information in meaningful information. We have to study also type of graphs, pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph. We have to discuss about frequency, organize data in frequency distribution table or grouped frequency distribution table. Now we have to continue question number 2. What is the question number 2? The shoppers who come to a departmental store and marked as man capital M, woman capital W, boy capital B or girl capital G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hours in the morning. यानी कि एक डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में 1 घंटे के दौरान जो पर्सन्स आए उनको रिप्रेजेंट कर रखा है. मैन के लिए कैपिटल एम, वुमेन के लिए कैपिटल डब्ल्यू, बॉय के लिए कैपिटल बी और गर्ल के लिए कैपिटल जी. एंड इट इज़ द डेटा. डब्ल्यू इट मीन वुमेन, 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 गर्ल एंड सो ऑन. मेक अ फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल using telemarks, and after this draw a bar graph of to illustrate it. Okay, we have to draw a frequency distribution table. Heading लिखेंगे frequency distribution table. And remember, in a graph copy it's a graph page and it's a lining page. In a graph page we have to draw bar graph, and in the lining page we draw a table. Frequency distribution table. In the table we make 3 columns: headings, shoppers who is discussed in the question, telemarks and frequency. shoppers यानी कि कौन कौन पर्सन वहाँ पर आए थे. W फॉर वुमेन, W वुमेन, मैन, M फॉर मैन, B फॉर बॉय, G फॉर गर्ल. And now we have to complete telemarks. How we fill telemarks? Telemarks, the first symbol is capital W. Capital W mean woman, so it's mean we mark W 1, again VW, again W गर्ल. यहाँ पर सिंबल लगाएंगे B बॉय, W अगेन W. फिफ्थ के लिए आपको इस तरह कट लगाना है. इस तरह से हम टेलीमार्क फिल करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड द टेलीमार्क लाइक दिस. एंड fill the third column frequency. It means their countings 28, 15, 5 and 12, and the total is 60. So we have to complete a frequency distribution table like this. Now we have to draw bar graph of this frequency distribution table. To draw a bar graph, firstly we to draw horizontal line x-axis and vertical line y-axis. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4. It means we have to mark on the x-axis for first box, but there are total 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means these represent W, man, boy, and obviously it's for girl. W, man, boy and girl. Now we represent on the y-axis. मिनिमम वैल्यू 5 है, मैक्सिमम 28 है. इट्स मीन 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. या 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30। तो 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 scale on y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to, the distance is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter is equal to 5 shoppers. This axis represent shoppers and this represent number of shoppers. Now we have to draw bar graph. For W, what is the frequency? For W, frequency is 28. So for W we stand the bar graph up to 28, but it is 25 and it is 30. It means 28 lie between them, but there is what is exact position. To find out exact position, we do a working 2 centimeter. In the 2 centimeter mean 20 boxes. It's mean 5 shoppers represent 20 boxes, because there is a gap of 5 shoppers and boxes are 20. So one shopper represent 4 boxes. Now we have to represent 28 and one shopper represent 4 boxes. It's mean it is a 26, 27 and obviously it is a 28. So the value is 28. So we represent we draw a bar graph for W. Now for men, the number of men are 15 and here is exact value 15, so we have no problem. We stand bar graph for men up to this. It's a for men. Now for boy 5, there is no problem. 5 is the exact value on the y-axis, so we can draw a bar graph simply without any problem. And for girl the value is 12. So 12, the value is 12 is above 10 and below 15. What is the exact position? We know that one shopper represent 4 boxes, so 2 shopper represent 8 boxes. So it is a position of 12, 8 boxes. So it's mean the 4 girl okay. So we have to draw a bar graph of given information and write your scale in the right hand side in a box and you above heading bar graph. So it is a bar graph of given frequency distribution table. I hope you understood. Note down it. In the next video we have to do question number 3 and question number 4 of exercise 5.1. Thank you.